rationalists in Bengaluru today hit the streets protesting, or rather sending a message out against superstition, and basically what they were advocating for is science. Now the reason we say this is because today being a lunar eclipse, many people historically believe that there are several superstitions or myths that are attached with these lunar eclipse or solar eclipses, wherein people do not consume food during these hours, people do not take up new works during these hours, and people do not even step out of their homes. So there are many superstitions that we have, people have come down believing for ages together now. But these rationalists who actually come out today are demonstrating that what really should be believed is science and not these superstitions, which is why you can see them consuming food during these hours, coming out, playing music as well, sending a message loud and clear. I'm just going to speak to Mr. Narsim Murthy right now. If you can help us understand what exactly is your demonstration against today. We're seeing that every year on the day of an eclipse, a group of rationalists like you come out and try and send a message to the people.
See, we are trying to give the truth to the people of India, because we believe on the science. Simultaneously, what astronomers says, today being the lunar being eclipse, we have to believe on the astronomers what they said, and they said very specifically it is not visible in India, so we have to believe that. The other side, the Purohits, they used to sit in the TV and say all the lies, and people, they will afraid for that. So we tell them that since when the sun has come, moon has come, and earth has come, this is going. And moreover, this is the fourth eclipse in the current year. Every time we used to do that, and we challenge those people. Not in this time also. During election period also, we'll ask them to one question by paying 1 crore rupees from our side. One candidate, the winning candidate, how many votes he's going to take. Nobody come to challenge with me. So this is going for the last. And today also,
so how has the response, towards this been so far? Because year after year, we are seeing that, you guys come out and try and spread a message. So how has the response to this been so far? Have people started, not abiding by these myths? Have they given that up?
The good question posed by you. So today being a work day, and I have informed very few people. Today, I'm talking about today. You can see the hundreds of people are here. The program was started 10:30. Now it's going to be 3 o'clock. Even people are there. This shows I believe in that. And if I send the message through the paper and all, it will be thousands of people.
Okay, all right. Yeah, thank you. Well, in fact, just trying to spread the message of science over superstition, we're seeing that these rationalists, as they call themselves, have come out. They are staging a demonstration wherein they're, holding up banners, telling the people the importance of believing science over superstitions, coming out and busting all those myths. Now, more importantly, it is, of course, at the end of the day, for us to be able to differentiate between, and really understand where that fine line is to be drawn between superstition and science. But yes, having said that, this is something that's going to continue year after year, and the lunar eclipse also is something, of course, like he said, is probably the fourth this year. And having said that, during these times also we're seeing several people actually have come out and are going on with their daily activities like they would on any other day. In Bengaluru with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.